Hey, good morning.
Hey guys, JD here with Thomas, and we are in the middle of nowhere, somewhere on Stara Planina, the Balkan Mountains in the southeast of Serbia. We found a nice little trail of 30 kilometers on the internet, and we drove yesterday evening from Belgrade 4.5 hours to the middle of nowhere, where we slept in our tents. We don't know exactly how cold it got, but it was cold enough to deplete my power bank, my GoPro and my phone during the night. Luckily, Thomas the German was prepared, so we still have some juice. We're first gonna arrive at a waterfall. That is the main attraction of this trail. Should be the most beautiful waterfall in Serbia. What we're gonna see. So 32 kilometers with an altitude difference of about 1,000 meters. So let's go.
Nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
We are back. So we made it down. Didn't go exactly as planned, but we are alive, barely. So the app we were following, I just uninstalled it from my phone. Stupid. First off, this is not a trail, it's a damn road. Part gravel, part dirt, but in the first 10 kilometers, 30 cars passed us by on the way up and down. In the end, the trail wasn't even a loop. I mean, the guy who posted it made it a loop, but it's not an official trail. And it's all grown over. So, for the first 10 kilometers, we followed the road. You saw the waterfalls. It's crazy amazing. But then another trail joined, which is also another trail but a road, and it was part of a ultra marathon something, I don't know. So those people joined in our trail / road, but then we turned right and we actually found an actual trail for walking. On that trail we were for about 2 kilometers, and then the app told us to go right, even though we saw a sign leading us left, but you know, we trusted technology and the app. So we went right and got lost. So we made our way to forest, through some fields, then we saw a snake, a poisonous snake, venomous. It was about 2 meters long, at least. That's what's going on in my head. Actually, it was about 40 centimeters, I think, but yeah, it was enough to make me run the other way and Thomas behind me. Then we heard an animal growl. I hope it was a wild boar. The other explanation would be it was some crazy ass monster stalking us. So where was I? Yeah, we were lost. At some point we were just trying to get back to the road, you know, to go back the same way we came. And we heard some voices and some loud water. Turned the corner and saw two ladies in front of a waterfall. Oh. In the end they showed us the way back to the road, not a trail. And yeah, we walked all the way the same way back here, and well, I really don't recommend walking this thing. The waterfalls are amazing, but you can get there by car, and it's stupid to walk it. It's just, our knees are pretty heavy right now and destroyed. So the next stop is a restaurant we saw last night on the way here, and we are going for a big chunk of meat to regenerate, and then back home. Another 4 hours of driving. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it more than I enjoyed walking it. See you next time. Bye.
I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit